starting with numerical number 22. A 10 microfarad capacitor is charged to a 25 volt of potential. See, here we have a capacitor, and here it was a battery attached to this circuit. Capacitor got charged, and the capacitor has capacitance 10 microfarad, that is 10 into 10 raised to minus 6 farad. Okay, and the battery used to charge the capacitor has 25 volt as potential. Okay, now the battery is disconnected. Now this battery is disconnected, and at place of this battery a pure inductor of inductance 100 millihenry is attached. So the energy stored between the plates of the capacitor is given by the formula half Q naught square upon C, and the energy stored in the inductor as magnetic energy is given by the formula half Li square. Now here the inductor is attached to the circuit to set up LC oscillations in the circuit. So what will be the maximum current in this coil? From energy conservation, the energy stored in the inductor will be equal to the energy stored in the capacitor, as we have just two equipments in the circuit. So the energy stored, and we all know that energy is conserved. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Energy is conserved. So energy stored in the inductor will be equal to the energy stored in the capacitor. So we have written that the energy stored in the, okay, before coming to that, Q is the charge, that is Q naught is the charge, which is given by the formula capacitance into potential or voltage. So at place of Q naught we'll substitute C into V, that is C square V square, because Q naught is square, so E square is V square. So one C from numerator and one C from denominator gets cancelled, so now we have half CV square. That is the energy stored in the capacitor, which we have written over here. Energy stored in the inductor we have written over here. Half of gets cancelled. L will take in the left hand side denominator. So here we have I square. After that we'll substitute capacitance. What is capacitance? It is 10 into 10 raised to minus 6. We have substituted that. V square, that is 25 uska square, upon L. Inductance is 100 millihenry. So 100 into 10 raised to minus 3 Henry, then 100 into 10 raised to minus 3. Now 10 raised to minus 3, and from this minus 6, 10 raised to minus 3 gets cancelled, so 10 raised to minus 3 remains. Out of that, now from here 10 and 10 from the denominator gets cancelled, so only 10 remains in the denominator, which is taken in the numerator, that becomes minus 1. So minus 1 and minus 3 gives us minus 4, and 25 ka square. Here we have I square. On left hand side, if we take the square, it becomes square root. 10 raised to minus 4 ka square root is 10 raised to minus 2. 25 ka square root, 25 ke square ka square root is 25. So 25 into 10 raised to minus 2 is 0.25 ampere. This is the amount of maximum current in the coil performing LC oscillation, the coil performing LC oscillations. Okay.